I figured that this would happen just because of the support that they currently have for the immigrants. And now they have officially said that on February 20th, 2026, the U.S. Supreme Court ruled 6-3 that President Trump's tariffs were imposed under an illegal um, law. So the law does not grant the president authority to impose those type of tariffs, and not in that matter. So they're kind of leaving it open. However, they did not address how that it was going to be handled, if they're going to be given refunds or what have you. So I found that to be very interesting. But these include the 10% global tariffs on nearly all imports and higher rates that they did to for other certain countries. So the estimate for that potential refund ranges from 130 billion to 175 billion or higher, interest and so forth, based on the duties and the collective since the implementation. Now, I did click on for a minute. I don't watch TV, so I had to actually search and look for the information that I wanted, and they had a real nice short brief clip where President Trump was stating that they did not address the issue when they gave the finding and stated that it was illegal. They did not address the issue of potential refunds. But Mr. Trump did say that most likely, they'll fight it out in court. However, just the way that things have been going, especially here in city life, and I told you that there is still a lot of support for the immigrants here, and it just told you that everything has just changed. It's really questionable about how things are going to go moving forward, especially about safety and a lot of other concerns that we have here in the state of California. So a lot of this is not surprising, but it is alarming because you can see where the interest is and where the money is going, especially abroad and in other areas, other than investing back into infrastructure, into the programs that's needed. So this is very concerning, and I'm not much, like I said, for watching TV and the news and all that type of stuff because I am focusing on myself and looking for the resources, shared resources and things like that. Remember, I told you I did my natal chart and so forth, and it says that's the area I needed to focus on. And I've been focusing, I've been calling, and I have not had that support in those areas. So it is very challenging, and especially now with the current environment of how things are going with the immigration for illegals and migrants who are not officially n- documented, I guess I should say. So it's all a little bit frustrating just because I wanted to hear something a little bit more solid, something a little bit more in control as to what was going on. And just like everything else, we think that they're in control, and sometimes it appears like they're not.